employee monitoring software. You can also use this software to monitor your children's at home. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm installing this software. Just make sure you read the agreement out here and accept the agreement. So once you click this I accept and click next. Now all you have to do is click this install button. Now the software will install rapidly. In order to get this software, you have to go to a1spytool.com. I'll leave the link on the description below. Make sure you sign into your online monitoring account and click finish. Okay, so this is a very useful software if you want to track your employees work, if you want to track their productivity, etc. Okay, so welcome to this setting wizard. Okay, so first things first, you have to install this software and you have to just set it up. Okay, so enter your real email, the email address which you bought, from which you bought this software. Okay, so let's see all its features. Okay, so you can go and change the screen quality, whether you want it medium or high quality, or what type of screenshots. So all the screenshots can be of different quality. Okay, so you can also run at Windows startup. You can hide everything, you can hide the software, but I do not recommend that because I want your employees to know about this software. Okay, so they know that all their stuffs are being tracked. Okay, so this is for companies, and of course for children you can hide the software and just monitor them so that they do not fall under bad influences. Okay, so sign in with your email address on your online account. Okay, so make sure you log in. First of all, you have to create an account. So everything you want to do, you just go to a1spytool.com and sign up for an account, get the software. There are 4 editions actually of the software. Choose the one which you like, and you can see there are lots of features. You can backlist words, you can whitelist URLs, you can blacklist URLs, or everything. Okay, so let's blacklist some words. Okay, so if you do not want this word, so if you want to get an alert when someone talks about politics or when someone talks about some other things, okay, whatever, you just have to type in the keywords right here. Okay, so let's say something. Okay, song. Okay, so if someone is typing song, you got to know you want it to be blocked, if you want to block YouTube, etc. The words, if you want to prevent access to inappropriate websites or pages. Okay, so you can see out here that you can also add URLs to it. You can whitelist of URLs only. That means you can only add few URLs which the employees can use. Okay, so just click out here, and there are lots of settings. You just have to do what you need. Okay, that means if you want to block Facebook, let's say you do not want your employees or you do not want your children to use Facebook URL. Okay, you just have to insert it out here on the blacklist, and there are also other stuffs. If you want to block social networks, if you want to block dating sites, video hostings, file sharing websites, torrents, adult sites, shopping sites, games, etc. Everything you can do out here. Okay, so you can just block a list of categories also. Okay, so now let's click next. Now you can also see all these events out here in the right hand side, and that's the online account out here. All events are live. Okay, whatever we are doing, it's getting tracked out here. Okay, now you can decide to monitor Facebook, Instagram, or if you want you can also add lots of other social sites and even Gmail. Okay, maybe your company email is being misused. You can also go and monitor all this messengers. Okay, all this messenger out here. It's everything can be tracked. Okay, so you can see the software. This is the interface of the software. Once you install and once you go to settings, and there are also one-time setup you can do. You can see if you want to delete logs after let's say 30 days, or let's say after 7 days, you can just, or whether you want to clear all logs, everything will be out here. Okay, so on these settings, just see whether you want to enable key logins, That means if when someone is typing, if you want to log each and every keyboard events, okay. It also shows you non-printable characters like enter, escape, which cannot be tracked. You can just select or deselect from this, okay. Everything is according to what you want to track, okay. Whether you want to track, whether you do not want to track, everything is out here, okay. So second thing is screenshots. Now you can see out here screen quality. You can check out the screen qualities, and whether you want high quality or low quality. You can choose you can get screenshots for Windows change, for any URL change, and also you can make a screenshot when clipboard is changed, okay. So when clipboard is changed, it will give you screenshots, okay. Now also webcam snapshots, okay. So whether you want, okay, just choose the webcam. It's first step, that is integrated webcam on this PC. Just choose your webcam, and whether you want to track your user from the start of the user session, okay, or by timer, that is for every 10 minutes you'll get a webcam snapshot, okay. That means the webcam will automatically click a picture of your employee or your children, okay. So you can also record sound, okay. That's the beauty of this software. You can also record sound, and it will record after certain time, or whether you want to record it from the start of the user session, or everything is according to your needs, okay. So or whether you want only record when the sound level will exceed this much, okay. Exceed 32%. That means in this case you can see everything, okay. You can also make video in a particular period of time, and the webcam will click will start and will show you each and everything employer is doing, okay. This will increase productivity. This is not a you do not have to be like a strict boss, but you can just monitor, and this increases productivity, okay. That means whether you are far away from your office, you can track each and everything, okay. You can track even clipboard monitoring. Everything will be monitored, and this software, the beauty of this software is it can be accessed from any part of the world. You do not have to be present in the office to monitor this, okay. Suppose you are giving some person some work from home, and you need to install the software on the PC, and so that you can track each and everything, okay. Now you can see all this stuffs, okay. Mouse button pressed or not, etc. Everything will be tracked. Web pages visited. You can see that you can literally just go and just go to the settings and just tweak whatever you want, okay. Suppose you want to get an alert, okay. So this alert system is that you want to get an alert when someone types boss, okay. So if someone's talking about you, or let's say Mr. John, your name is Mr. John, and if someone talks about you, you'll get an alert, and you can read that message, okay. So you can also choose whether to track the drives. There are lots of drives. Maybe you want to track your C drive or D drive. If someone opens a D drive, you'll get notified. And other things is that site blocker. Again, this is the same thing which I showed you previously, and now this will block social sites or dating sites or video hosting sites, torrents, adult sites, shopping, games, etc. Okay, it blocks sites according to the categories, okay. So everything is written in detail below. You can go and see what the other top options are for, okay, and just click apply, and you can do. Now you can also schedule the software to monitor from this date, okay. You can monitor only on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, because maybe a Friday, maybe a Saturday, in the weekend you do not want to track what that person is doing, okay. So everything will be below in this event log. You can see keyboard events. You can see the screenshots out here. Now since I'm using this software, so you can see that this software has already made a screenshot while I was making this video, okay. So while I was just showing you this demo, you can see all the screenshots will be out here. Webcam snapshot. Now since we have schedule the webcam to click snapshot every 20 minutes or every 15 minutes, so it will take some time for webcam and sound recording to start, and it will also So once you click the refresh button, it will take some time and it will upload everything. Okay, now this software, since I just installed it, it will take some time to populate all the data out here, but you can see that slowly it will go and start populating all the data, all the keystrokes, all the web pages visited. Now all the search. Okay, so I'll just give you an example. Okay, I'll just search something on Google. So let's go to google.com, and let's say I'm an employer and I just went and searched for employee monitoring. Okay, I just went to Google and searched for it. Okay, so I close this or whatever it is, and I'm the boss, and when I'm looking, you can see out here that the search option already came to this software. Okay, so this software already tracked it, and the software has already recorded that I went and searched for employee monitoring. Now same thing with the sound recording and other stuffs, but it will take some time for this to populate, and also I've made a setting for sound recording only when certain level of noise is reached. Okay, so all these alerts will also you'll get alerts for whatever settings you have done out here, all site blockers. If someone used a site which was on the site blocker stuff, now of course while making this video I have not added site blocker sites, so I mean the URLs to the site blocker, so it's not populated out here. But you can see out here that it can literally go and track all this messengers. Okay, you can go and track Facebook stuff. So you can go and track even the chats from Skype, from Zoom, keyboard events, screenshots, clipboard, etc. Okay, then there are lots and lots of features out here, and user activity. So you can also go and track each and every event of this user activity. So you'll get this also on all this data will be, everything will be uploaded on the dashboard online. Okay, so you do not have to have this software installed on your PC. You can be anywhere in the world, on your mobile or on your laptop. You just have to go and just log into this online interface, and you can see this live. Okay, you can see the live recording. I'm making this video and the live recording is on the display out here. Okay, display of live viewing of the monitor. Okay, you can see all events will be given in the right hand side, and you can go and just check the statistic. Okay, so you can also add lots of employees to this software. Okay, you can track many employees. Okay, so you can see what they are doing. You can see the charts, whether they are using YouTube for 6 hours, you are using other software for certain hours. You can see how long they are using YouTube. Okay, maybe they are using YouTube more, they are using other Facebook for 1 hour. You can see out here all the timings, and whether they are what are the categories of sites they are using. Okay, so video sharing sites, internet, etc. Everything will be given out here. All the list of sites that has been opened and used will be given out here, and they'll all now below that is the summary activities. That means for how long the software has been tracking this. Okay, so this software has been tracking this all this data for some time now, but I just went and uninstalled and installed it so that I can give you the overview of everything. Okay, you can see on May 4th for this much hours they were inactive, etc. Okay, so all the last URLs which was used, last social URLs, that is YouTube, whatever search queries, social URLs, everything will be given. Okay, everything you can see in detail. You can click this view all and you can see it in more detail also. Okay, now you can see the screen recording. Now you can also, it's blank right now, but what you can do is you can record last 3 minutes of screen records and download it live. Okay, so you can also go ahead and download the last 3 minutes of what the user was doing. It's like a random check. Okay, so webcam recording, you can also enable webcam recording to see the video of your employee. Okay, now call recording, of course, again according to the settings, I have only made it to activate after certain time, so everything will be given out here. Now this is the live web camera. Okay, so now live camera is, this is the camera which will go and monitor your employer live, okay, so you can know what he's doing and what is not, okay. So everything will be on this software out here, event logs and all events you can see it on online interface also, okay. Everything you can see from around the world. You do not have to need any software to be installed on your PC to go and monitor them, okay. You can even monitor them on the mobile. You can see all these features are are on the online interface as well, okay. So this is the best software which you can ever have for employee monitoring and also for children monitoring also, okay. This software is perfect package because it has every features you can think about and some very outstanding features which I never thought about, okay. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. This is my review on this software. This software works flawlessly. If you want to get this software, go to a1spytool.com, okay. Thank you very much and bye bye.